In this video, we'll be changing the battery in a Volkswagen Golf key fob. One thing to note here is that there are two devices that look almost identical but are different, and the process to change their batteries is different. So if you see this device I have here, the indicator light is up in the top right corner. That's what we will be doing in this video. There's another version that has the indicator light down here, and the whole process to open it up is going to be different. So if you have that other version, check the link in the description. We have another video showing you how to do that. And so if you have this one, top right corner, doesn't matter if you have 3 buttons, 4 buttons, it's going to be the same. So just follow along with me here. All you'll need to get it done is one CR2032 battery. And if you'd like to get one of those online, go ahead and check out the first link in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon, where you can find these batteries for a great price. And now just jumping right into it, we're just going to flip out the key. Look over here on the back. There's this back section of plastic. We will be pushing up on this lip on the inside of where the key just was, just to remove that back piece of plastic. So you can hold on to the top part because this will not be moving. And I just push it up with your thumb, or if that is a little bit difficult, you can take a large coin or something like that and just go into that same area and twist, just to give you some better leverage to remove this piece of plastic. Now, all we need to do is look at the battery, and you can see there are these two tabs up on the top part. You're just going to apply a little bit of pressure on the battery over there, and it will come right out. When you're putting your new CR2032 into place, you want to make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing up, and you'll just slide it under those tabs and push it down on the other side. From here, we can just click this back piece of plastic back on there. And if you want to make sure you did everything correctly, you can verify that the indicator light is turning on, which means your battery is full of juice and you are good to go. If this video helped you out, feel free to drop us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We have you covered with videos just like this one for most of the key fobs for most major makes and models out there. You can also get all this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.